Spider-Man's here. Do you hear that? I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Hey, I want some ice cream! No, you can stop. Is he stopping? Yes? No, he's not stopping. And my camera's all foggy. He's going on the other side, so I'm going too. It just rained and it's all wet. Oh, running through backyards, trying to get the ice cream. Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna wait for him. Hello, how are you? Let's see what you got. I think I'm gonna get a Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Yeah. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
One superhero Spider-Man is 3 out of 5. And a couple of dollars coming back. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Got a Spider-Man. Yeah. He probably thinks I'm insane, but that's okay. Awesome. Victory. Getting ice cream from the ice cream man is really kind of expensive. It was $3 to get just this little ice cream. Little Spider-Man ice cream. Dude! Ow. That's so good. I always feel like a zombie when I eat popsicles like this at our faces, because it's like you're eating their brains. It's actually really good ice cream. His eyes are gumballs. Dude, that's so awesome. Perfect. Oh my god. My mind. Oh. Oh my. That was a good Spider-Man popsicle. That was the first time the ice cream man had actually come into our neighborhood. In like a really long time. Like a really long time. Like, he seriously hadn't come all summer. I would appreciate it if my ice cream man came to visit me a little bit more often. Oh my gosh, I have stuff all over my face. I'm going into the bathroom to clean up a bit. Oh, probably should not have used a white towel. Well, I guess we'll see you guys later. No, I just discovered it fell on my shirt. Oh!